Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers Ford Fusion 2017 updated. Start by lifting each wiper arm gently and supporting it in the raised position to avoid snaps. Remove the old blade by pressing the release tab and sliding the blade off the hook. Compare the new blade's adapter to the old one and install until it clicks securely. Then lower the arm back slowly and test for proper contact and streak-free wiping. In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers Ford Fusion 2017 updated. Press the release tab and slide the old blade off the arm's hook, keeping control of the arm. For pin-style attachments, push the retaining clip and slide the blade away. Set the old blades aside and inspect the arm for bends or corrosion. Clean the windshield and arm contact area so the new blades seat properly, and avoid premature streak. In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers Ford Fusion 2017 updated. Align the adapter on the replacement blade with the arm and slide it into place until it locks with an audible click. Make sure the blade curvature matches the windshield and that rubber sits flat against glass. Repeat the process for the passenger side, lower both arms carefully, and test the washer fluid and wiper sweep to confirm clear. Streak-free performance before driving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.